Hello from Paradise View. Here's a quick update on what we've done so far. Here is the front door. We're doing black.
Wow.
Everything is prepped. It was pressure washed and bleached, ready for stain. Had a few maintenance items to do on the stucco. Got those done. Come up here. We got some Bondo for from some Carpenter Bee repairs. This is all getting stained. We're gonna do a two-tone, match this color, and then we're doing a darker on the trim. So the best part is the view.
Wow.
We did a little maintenance on the view too, cut some trees. I'll take you inside. The doors have their first coat or two of paint on them, so we're doing a dark black, tricorn black is what it's called. It's gonna take a few coats because it was green before. So here we have some lumber staged. We are doing a privacy lattice up behind the hot tub, and we got our toggle switch set up. There's gonna be party lights. I'm gonna wait to put those up until we get the lattice up and the stain done. Then we'll go in the house. Coming on inside, we have new light fixtures. We got this one put in, this one put in. We'll have rope lights up on the top here, but they were on a plug before. Now we got them on a switch. Just a little bit easier for the guests to use. Going on to the living room, new furniture. This is a new sofa. New love seat. Couldn't get the sofa we wanted actually to fit through the door, so we had to get a different one, but happy with how that's turning out. We have our letters here that we're going to be putting on the wall to brand our cabin name, Paradise View. Again, matching the black kind of dark theme. You can kind of see what we're going for here. Here's the lower king suite. We upgraded the furniture, so this is a new dresser, mounted the TV, bought a new TV, actually 3 new TCL 3 Series 1080p TVs, the Roku's. Love these, super easy to use. There's like 4 buttons on the remote. New artwork. Actually moved this from the kitchen into here. This is a new custom bed, a handmade bed that we ordered from a guy that makes them in North Carolina. And we were actually a little bit worried that we wouldn't find a matching nightstand, but we were able to match that up nice too. Let's head on upstairs. This is the upper king suite with a balcony. Painted this door black as well to match downstairs. Upgraded the bed. That's the same bed as downstairs. Got the same nightstands. Excuse the mess. Kids are sleeping up here. New TV. Mounted this in the middle. Katie found this super cool piece of furniture, so we bought that. Brought our seat from downstairs up here for somewhere to throw your clothes, somewhere to sit, relax, whatever. And the view from up here is really awesome too. Check this out. Yeah, here's the door. It's gonna look nice. Check this out. Woo! You can see for 50 miles, and that's actually our other cabin right there. Look at that. Up next, I will show you guys how the staining goes and the finished product, so stay tuned.